What's the meaning of bushfire? Bushfire. Bushfire.
Bushfire. Bushfire. A bushfire is a type of wildfire that occurs in areas covered with vegetation, such as forests, grasslands, and other natural areas. These fires can be caused by both natural phenomena, such as lightning strikes, and human activities, including campfires and arson. The result of a bushfire can be devastating, as it can cause widespread destruction of property, wildlife habitats, and local economies. In addition, bushfires can also pose a significant threat to human life, leading to injury, displacement, and even death. Effective prevention and management strategies are crucial in reducing the impact of these fires.